How to install Oppo Find X5 Pro Live wallpapers on any Android device without having to root it. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Oppo Find X5 Pro Live wallpapers on any Android device without having to root it. Now all the files, all the applications which we're using in this video are linked in the description of the video. So for starters, you do need an application which will let you unzip files and install APKs. I am using FX File Manager. You are free to use any file manager application which you want to. So here it is, we are on the home screen of FX File Manager. We will go into main storage, go into download, because that is where the files are downloaded if you download them on your phone directly. Now those of you who have a non-pixel device, you do need the Google Wallpapers APK, and if you have a pixel device, then you do not need that APK, but you would need the Oppo Find X5 Pro Live wallpapers. Now this here is a zip file. So the first thing we need to do is unzip this. So press and hold once it is highlighted and selected, three dot menu on the top right, and herein we are going to say open with. On the next pop-up we are going to say archive extractor. This is going to list all the APKs, and three dot menu on the top right one more time and say extract here. Now this is going to extract all the APKs, and now we have a folder with that very name. Inside that we have another folder. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to install the Google Wallpapers APK, because this here is a non-pixel device, and of course as I am running a super secure MIUI operating system, I do need to wait for 10 seconds before I can even click on this OK button on the bottom left. So go ahead, click on OK, go back, and now we are going to install the Google Wallpapers APK. Once that is done, the next thing we need to do is we can go back to our folder, go inside the folder where we have the Find X5 Pro Live wallpaper APKs, and the next thing you need to do is tap on each of those APKs and install the three APKs. Now once all the APKs have installed successfully, we can go back to our home screen and we can open our application drawer. Herein we should have an application called Wallpapers. Now those of you who have a Pixel device, you would have just installed the live wallpaper APKs. Press and hold on the empty space, go into Wallpapers and Style. We will go ahead, open this Wallpapers application and say allow access, allow one more time, and then we are going to go to the live wallpapers section, and bam, here it is. These here are the Find X5 Pro Live wallpapers. Let me set one of them, and there it is. You can see it is working fine on my home screen. Let us try out the lock screen. So the lock screen wallpaper did not change, and this is an issue with MIUI. Let us go ahead and open the camera application, go into video mode. Record a small video of any duration, 1 second, 2 second, whatever is good for you. Then go ahead and open the gallery application, and herein go to the albums section, and then you can go into videos, select the video you just recorded, three dot menu on the bottom right and say set video wallpaper, apply, set both. Then we can go back to our home screen, open the wallpapers application, go into live wallpapers. Let us choose the second one this time around, set wallpaper, set successfully, and as you can see, you do not have an animated effect. Oh wow, yes, you have an animated effect on your lock screen as well, and on the home screen also. So there it is peeps, that is how you install the Oppo Find X5 Pro Live wallpapers on any Android device without having to root it. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.